Hi everyone, welcome back to the third part of Vlog Medina. I have already posted two vlogs. If you haven't watched it yet, please do check in the description box for the links and do watch it to see the beautiful and historical places in Medina and its architecture. Before proceeding further, let me remind you to subscribe my channel for more such videos. So this video is continuation of part 2 vlog of Medina. After our lunch we started to visit the Masjid-e-Quba, but on the way we observed lot of trees. Then we quickly searched on Google Map about Salman Al Farsi garden. We found that the place of garden is this one only. So we went there without any thought. In this garden Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam planted 300 date trees. So let's come with me, I will show you the garden. The water is coming from the well, and here on the top is water storage, and from here water goes to feed the trees. And here you can see all the garden view. I felt it very peaceful and relaxed. In this garden, Salman Al Farsi Rajallahu anhu was a slave for Jewish. This garden was for Jewish, and the Jewish men demand a price to release Salman Al Farsi Rajallahu anhu 300 trees of dates and 40 coins of silver. And more than this was in demand, the trees should give dates in the first year. So then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam planted 300 trees in this garden himself. Sahaba Kiram Rajallahu anha was making the land ready for the Prophet to plant trees, and then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was planting the trees. This process is called in Arabic Fakr and Nakhla. Means when you make the land ready for plant a tree, it's called Fakr. So that's why this garden name is Mazra Al Fakir garden. You can buy dates from here also. Bye. From here we moved to Masjid-e-Quba. This is Masjid-e-Quba. The reward of praying 2 rakats in Quba mosque is equal to an umrah. This is the first mosque as per history of Islam out of the mosque made by Muslims. It initiated by our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Here shooting is going on. Now I am going to inside mosque, so I will show few clips of masjid. It's 5 o'clock and we are tired. From here directly we went to hotel and slept off. Then we woke up at 8 o'clock and we went outside to capture the night view of Medina.
देना करके क्या देना बाबा को इसमें रखो छुपा छुपा शाबाश वेरी गुड
Next day, means Saturday morning, my husband got permit in Rauda at 9 o'clock. So he went and offered salam to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Here in hotel checkout time is 11 o'clock. So we got ready quickly to check out the hotel. Then I moved to Masjid Nabawi again. I get inside and I prayed 2 rakat nafal. Then I read Quran sometime. I spent half an hour over there. Then I come out from the masjid. From there we moved to Sabah Masjid, which means 7 mosques. It is the location where the Battle of Kandak or Battle of Trench took place, in which the Muslims dug trenches. As you can see, this is the biggest mosque here, Masjid-e-Khandak. There used to be 2 mosques here that were demolished and made it into one. One of them is Abu Bakr Siddiq Mosque and other is Usman bin Affan Mosque. This is Umar bin Al-Khattab Mosque. The complete incident of the Battle of Kandak has been mentioned here. And this mosque is built on the name of Hazrat Salman al-Farsi Radiyallahu anhu. Here you can see Al-Fatah Mosque, where Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has his tent. From here we moved to Masjid-e-Qiblati, where there was revelation to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to change direction to face direction of Makkah and offer salah. Earlier, Islam revealed to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam he used to face Masjid Aqsa to offer salah. That being reason, Masjid Aqsa is also referred as Qibla al-Awwal. Means first Qibla direction of Muslims to offer namaz was Masjid-e-Aqsa only. Later on, it was instructed to offer namaz in direction of Makkah city where Kaaba is located. So this is the mosque which marks transition direction of salah instructed to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam while on namaz to turn from Masjid Aqsa direction and start facing Kaaba for salah. So that's it guys, today's vlog. I hope you like the video. We'll see you in next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.